Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change permissions on a Google Forms. I've opened this form right here, and what we need to do is come here where it says published, click on it, and then we see responders, okay? So we can go ahead and click on manage, and as you can see we have two people with access. I am the owner, so I can change permission, for example for this person, from an editor to maybe just a responder, or transfer ownership entirely, or even remove access. I'll go to remove this person's access. There you go. Make sure you click on save, okay? The changes are pending, so you need to save this, okay? And there you go. The changes have been saved. I can come here, click on manage, so you can see access was updated. You can go ahead and change general access as well. So these were people with access, specific people, you just invite them via email. And general access, you can change editor view to be restricted, where only people you invite would get editor access. Or you can change this to anyone with a link. They can go ahead and change it. And if you want to change responder view, you can click on this one. Okay. And you can either restrict it, remove the link entirely, and close the form. Or you can just leave it at any one of the link. So I'll just remove the whole link. And let's go ahead and click on done. The access was updated. And it's really that easy and simple.